So hey, this is kind of like an after shot first. This is what our hair was looking like. She was cute, but let's rewind a little bit. The hair that I'm showing you guys is from Alipearl. I have 3 bundles of deep wave in 24 inches. This is what the hair looks like before anything. And fast forward to this is what we are doing. Here I am again attempting, and I'm going to say attempting, to do a quick weave on myself. I've done it once before, easy peasy, took a little while. So I was like, the second time around, it should be a little quicker. And I only have 3 bundles instead of 4, but we'll see. So I'm just doubling up on my stocking caps and hairspray and blow dry. So this is what the bundles look like after they're washed. Totally different, so pretty. You guys, I highly suggest that you wash any hair that you get before you install it, because if it's curly, you'll get the true texture of what the curls look like. And honestly, like, I don't know, it's nothing like nicely washed bundles, but whatever. This is the progress so far. I think this is 1 bundle in, um, and I did put in all 3 bundles, maybe a little less than 3, but mainly all 3 of the bundles went in my hair. So this is where it gets a little tricky. I did do a quick weave on myself, and this is all I have. So that quick weave didn't last long. It actually like fell off my head. I don't think I used enough glue, so it was like hanging off by like day 2. So I ended up removing it, and then I added clips and combs to make it a U part. So here we are today. And as you can see, the hair looks different because of course I wanded it. I wanted an easier blend with my natural hair. I was either going to straighten the curly hair or what I just did, which was wand it. And I didn't show the process of wanding my hair because we all know how to wand hair. So now I'm just installing the U part. Really pretty, really, like, the fit is amazing. So this is the leave out. I realized I need to leave a little more out because my cap shrunk a little bit. So if you were making a U part, of course, I wouldn't suggest making it on a stocking cap. I would use like one of those other caps, like a dome cap or something like that. But I'm just wanting my real hair to blend in with the extensions, and I'm using the exact same wand that I use to curl the hair, which is, I feel like this is like a 1 inch, maybe a 1.5 inch barrel. Don't quote me. The wand curler I'm using is so old, but I will try to link it or something similar in the description box if you're interested. And since my hair is, well, my leave out is shorter than the extension hair, it kind of sticks out a little bit. So I'm just grouping some of my hair with the extensions and then wanding it together because that gives it like a more seamless look. So I just did that in like the middle sections, but I left the front how it is because it is a layer. So it just looks like a natural layer, which that's what it is. So do you do a happy dance when your hair turns out how you want it to? Because I do all the time and it's cute, so it's given. So I was like happy. So yeah, I'm just brushing through the curls because I didn't want them like separated. I want them like clumped together. I look so awkward when I'm curling my hair. Anyway, I curl my hair. I don't know. It's just holding a curling iron, a wand, like it just feels weird. But we got the curl and we're combing them out. The hair is super full. I did use like almost all the hair, so almost 3 bundles. If you don't want your hair as full, I would suggest using less. But then again, I did want the hair, and it's fluffy, it's giving, it's full. We love that. So this is what the finished hair looks like. We absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. I hope you love it too. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll list all the hair details in the description box, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.